Our local Costco has a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 bundle.
Alright, today we are unboxing our DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is our new video camera. We got this to film content and because of the image stabilization, so we can walk around and videotape. The other thing is we have this cool little screen that'll show you what you're actually videotaping, which help you know what you're seeing.
We like the idea of having a memory card too instead of filling up our phone, because if we go anywhere where we need our phone's battery, it's nice to not be lugging battery packs and whatever. Also, if we don't like it, we'll just return it.
Yeah.
We got this at Costco for $499.99, so $499.99.
And it includes a mini tripod, a battery handle, and a micro SD card.
What's a tripod?
Tripod. I said tripod, oops. So we've opened it up. Looks like there's some individual pack stuff. Here goes our battery handle. Here goes the just a random piece of cardboard. All right, here we go. Oh wait, so then we got the Osmo Pocket 3. All right, so then we've got the tripod. Here, you can. Then we have the 64 gigabyte memory card. So let's open the main event.
And then we have a pair of headphones that are going to be good for running that we will film with our new camcorder. It's supposed to shoot at 4K. It's supposed to be great for image stabilization, like we said. What I like is the size as well. It seems to be something that's going to be easy to bring on trips or what have you.
Look at that. Ooh. It comes with a case, I believe. Oh.
How heavy is it? How does it feel?
It feels really nice.
Okay, so it's substantial. Not heavy, but it definitely... Definitely substantial.
We got starter guide. We got forum. We got instructions. Don't need any of these. Handle. I don't know if it's a battery or if it's a handle. I'm not sure.
Like, is that a second battery we're saying?
I think.
Nice.
But why is it not just called a battery?
Why did you lick my leg? Like, I'm wondering if you can charge up that handle and then it's a second.
Oh.
Charge.
Oh, so it goes like this. When mounting, insert the battery handle into Osmo Pocket 3 without holding the release button. Alright. Also, it rotates. It turned on. Oh. Let's turn it to... Oh, it's touchscreen.
It is?
Yeah. Scan the QR code to download DJI Mimo Connect to camera. Wow, that's cool.
Did it just dull itself? Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, look at it.
Where's the camera? Is it out? Oh, hey.
Hello. All right, so we just unboxed the tripod. Real nice folding out, and then it can be like a handle too. Oh wait, I guess it can't be a handle. You have to attach. Probably you have to do this. So attach it.
What's a longie?
Look at me. Hello. Wow.
I like that everything's branded so you don't have to worry about if this fits with a different piece of equipment.
It's just following me, huh?
Thanks so much for following along. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Our next video is dropping this week. We took a risk and asked our DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to go out on a date with us for Valentine's Day. Come check out how that went. Why did we get this?
We got this because we wanted a video camera, and we saw as our dog plays with a toy underneath the table.
Now, being a chemical engineer, do you know what kind of cardboard? Can you tell us any specs on that, on this?
No. On that? It's some kind of white liner. Don't know if it's virgin or recycled.